In this tutorial, we will learn how we can sign in or log in to Play Store using Gmail address. First of all, open Play Store application. Then we have to add Google account. If already have Google account, then select existing option, and if have no account, then you have to create new account before. I already have Google account, so I will select existing option. Now enter your Gmail address and password and then select next option. Select OK option. Remember, if you have activate two-step verification, you have to enter the verification code that will be received on registered number. After entering the 6-digit code, select next option twice. That's it, you have successfully signed into Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming updates.